Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking in the car's overall proportions. Draw a central horizon line and two vanishing points to set perspective. Next, block the body as simple rectangles and ovals so you can adjust proportions quickly and place wheels with consistent spacing. Use a light 2H pencil and a 1/4 scale grid to map key points. This speeds corrections. Once done, refine the roofline and hood scoop placement before committing to darker lines. This prevents proportion mistakes later. You now transform blocks into the Mustang's characteristic forms by carving the fenders and belt line. Follow smooth, decisive strokes to capture the car's muscular stance. Detail the grille with horizontal bars and the Cobra emblem, and add the hood vents and spoiler in lighter passes so you can tweak angles. For wheels, draw rims first then tires, keeping consistent thickness. This anchors the car. Make sure to indicate panel gaps with 1 to 2 mm visual gaps, so the car reads mechanical rather than cartoonish. You finish by finalizing line weight. Darken main outer edges and grille while keeping secondary creases delicate to suggest surface curvature. Add shading with cross-hatching and directional strokes that follow body panels. Use darker values under the car and in wheel wells to ground it. Once done, intensify highlights with an eraser and add small details like badges and vents. If something looks off, trace a thin grid overlay, measure wheelbase and hood length, then erase and correct. This single troubleshooting step resolves most errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.